I guess I froze. I mean,
You froze?
what else do you want me to say?
You haven't even frosted. You think it's funny? All those customers? Do me a favour.
Yeah.
Upstairs. Raw steak! And he goes like this, as he's performing for the Oscars. If your cooking was as good as your acting, you'd be talented, you dick.
I tried to clear my head by sticking my head in the refrigerator, but I couldn't.
Raj, move your fat ass!
It's all in the lift, yeah? The two steaks have been up and down like Harry Titmus's knickers. Serve it, please! Absolute useless.
All of you, come here! In my time. What's wrong with that?
It looks like shit.
There's no pasta. It looks like baby food out of a tin. It's disgusting!
Yeah, right, chef.
From a soupy risotto to spaghetti drowned in sauce.
Right now, appetizers is sinking the whole ship.
Hey, you, pop upstairs. Get out! I can't bear to look at you anymore. Get out! Touch that.
Shit.
Yeah, shit. Right, shit. Did it hurt?
No,
Sue me. Hey, and look at me. Hey, because the response is fucking. No one gives a damn. Now I've got raw, stone cold, longestine. Raw, stone cold, longestine!
Yes, chef. I'm gonna fix it right now. Let's get it back.
1 minute. You got too much oil.
Grand chef, take your garnish back. Oh, what the is that? Look at the state of that. Hey, get will you? Come on, guys. Let's draw the line somewhere, shall we? Have a little bit more self-esteem, will you, yeah? Hey, you, what in the are you doing? Oh, my God.
Probably too much, chef.
That's just off one leaf. Come on.
Yes, chef.
Dress me a salad. Hey, you all. You think the customer's wrong, yes? And you can cook.
Yes, chef.
Switch it off. You off, will you? Will the garnish be ready, Jonathan?
Yes, chef, it'll be ready.
Because if it's not, you can off.
You run a shithole of a kitchen. F yourself.
No.
Okay?
No.
F off. Who the f are you to turn around and tell me when you work like a pig? You French pig!
I know it's easy for you, stroppy little, stuck-up little bitch. I care for those guys out there. Look, they're raw. F off. How rude are you? The only thing that's missing is the feathers. Just touch that. That's the skin, my man. Yeah, look,
Yes, chef.
look.
Yes, chef.
No, chef.
You and you, fuck off out of here. Get out. Take that with you. Just leave me alone. Get out of here, both of you. Hop up to the door. Hey, you. Pick that thing up. You want to serve shit, overcook meat, now start kicking a bin. Wow. Unbelievable. Get out. Off. Pathetic. Embarrassing. We can't send any food, Garrett, unless we've tasted anything. If you haven't tasted your own food, what chance have you got?
None.
I'd rather off for a burger. But don't start smarmy with me when we're standing there in the shit, when it's you put me in the shit.
That's what you're serving them. Burnt, shitty, black pizza.
I'd rather flee the country. You can't even get two dishes together. That's how shit you've been. I don't want any more embarrassments. I just want to go with some food.
It's over an hour into the first dinner service, and Jason is about to get an invitation.
Sit down, eat that. I want you to taste what you're trying to serve Hell's Kitchen. Sit down. Let me know when you're done. I'll get dessert.
I'm horribly embarrassed of myself. I fucking stayed home.
Stuff your face, you bastard.
Yes, chef.
And I watch you cook and I just get so pissed off with you around. You're misinterpreting the competition. It's Master Chef, not Master Bait. You're standing there, you're screwing me, and you're... No, Jed, he's gone now, huh? He's on Sunset Boulevard looking for a bus. Come in here. Just touch inside that. Oh, yeah, stone cold. Ice cold in the centre.
Yes, chef.
Love the way you're so laid back, just walking around like you're just
I'm
shopping.
not walking around, chef. I'm rushing.
You're rushing.
Yes, chef.
I'd hate to see you slow. Hey, madam, come here. Take that.
Yes, chef.
Inconsistent, dried lamb on the outside, raw in the centre, fuck off and eat it. There you go. Take your own medicine. Piss off.
Thank you, chef.